So welcome back to Hook Crochet, and this tutorial we're going to work on a new Irish crochet motif. So we're going to work on this fella right here, a nice little flower, and in this tutorial you'll learn how to crochet over a cardigan and how to make two different types of picots. So this inner circle of picots is a 3-chain picot and the outer circle of picots is a 4-chain picot, so slightly bigger. Okay, so let's give it a go. So ordinarily you would work in a pretty fine crochet cotton, at least as fine as a number 20, which is this one right here, where you'd be working with a 1.25 or a 1mm hook. These threads come in thicknesses right up to 100, so you could get 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100, which would be a really, really fine one. But today we're going to work with this number 20 crochet cotton, and so it might be a little bit clearer to see on this video. And we're working over a padding cord, which is this number 20 crochet cotton. So first of all, we're going to cut a length of cord. This will be the cord that we're going to crochet over. Cut it about the length of 6 crochet hooks. So I'm going to cut it this long and keep it folded in half. I'll get rid of this out of the way. So fold it in half there, and I'm going to work with a 1.5 crochet hook. That's this one right here. Okay, now I'm getting my thread, and we're going to get our thread onto our hook like so. Now pick up your padding cord and find the middle of it, and we're going to do a slip stitch right in there into the middle of the padding cord. So just get the hook right into the center of it there and work a slip stitch so that it's attached to your thread. Now, ready to crochet. So we're going to be crocheting over these 2 strands of padding cord. And we're going to begin with 20 double crochet over the cord. So the crochet hook goes under the 2 strands of cord, and then you're going to grab the thread on the other side, pull it under, then yarn over hook and pull it through those 2 loops. Okay, hook goes under the padding cord, the 2 strands, grab the thread, pull it under, yarn over hook and pull it right through. So there's 2 single crochets or double crochets on the cord. Again, hook under the cord, pull the thread under, yarn over hook and pull the thread through. There's 3. Hook under the yarn, under the cord, grab the thread, pull it under, yarn over hook and pull it through. 4. So I'm going to continue working like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you want to have a hold of your cord, and once you get your first few double crochets out of the way, then you can hold on to the work as well. So I'm holding on to both the cord and the work just to keep it nice and secure and the cord isn't getting away from me. So I've got 10 more double crochet to do. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last one, 20. Now at this stage we're going to make this 20 double crochet into a ring by crocheting into the very first double crochet that you made. So get the hook right into that double crochet. Forget about the starting thread there, keep that out of the way. So right into that double crochet and under the cord, and we're going to make a double crochet again. 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, into the next double crochet. Now at this stage we're going to pull the cord and tighten up that ring. Keep pulling so it's nice and tight. Lovely. Perfect little ring there. At the end of the work you're going to sew this little strand back in the opposite direction, so before you cut it off. Now another double crochet, so we're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the first 3 double crochet in total. So there's the third one. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make a 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3 chain. Now get the hook back into the first or into the last double crochet, right into the double crochet. Grab the thread and pull it all the way through. So that's 1 3 chain picot made. Now we're going to work 4 double crochet. 1 double crochet into each of the next 4 double crochet. Work over the cord as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh, be careful not to grab the cord or else you won't be able to pull it. So 3 and 4. Now make another 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3. Now slip stitch back into the last double crochet, and there's another picot made. We're going to make 5 picots in total, so let's keep going. We're going to work another double crochet into each of the next 4 and over the cord. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now another 3 chain picot. 3 chain, slip stitch back into that last double crochet, and there's another picot. So we've got 3 made and 2 more to go. Now another 4 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now don't forget to pull the cord every now and again just to keep that cord hidden in the crochet and keeping your work nice and tight. Now another 3 chain picot. 1, 2, 3. Work back into the last double crochet, a slip stitch. 1 more left, so we'll move on to the next set of 4 double crochet. 2, 3 and 4. Now another 3 chain picot. This is our last picot. Now we're almost back to the start, so we're going to do a slip stitch back into the first double crochet there that we made. Pull the cord, keep that nice and tight, and we're going to work a double crochet into the next one. So this is going to be the middle double crochet, which is going to be in between the 2 picots. So work a double crochet right in there and over the cord. Now working over the cord only, we're going to do 15 double crochet. So only over the cord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now we're going to work a double crochet into the next middle double crochet in between the next 2 picots. I'm going to work a double crochet right in there into that space and over the cord as well. So there's 1 double crochet. Now at this stage we're going to pull that cord to bring that 15 double crochet loop nice and close to the work and nice and tight around that work. So it's essentially framing the picot there. We're going to repeat this 5 more times. So work 15 double crochet over the cord only, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, and a double crochet into the next space between the 2 picots, right into that middle double crochet there. Work over the cord as well. Now, time to pull this one to make that nice and tight. Now I'm going to continue working another 3 all the way around. So I'm going to fast forward this bit so we get to the end, and I'll meet you back here at this side at the end. Okay, so we're back to the end of this round. We've completed 4 15 double crochet loops, which is framing all of our picots, and I've just made the 15 double crochet here to finish this round. So I'm now going to work a double crochet into the first double crochet of the first 15 double crochet group. So work a double crochet in there. I'm picking up the back loop only this time. So picking up the back loop and work over the cord, work a double crochet in there. Now we can tighten up that last 15 double crochet group. Okay, that's that row, our round completed. Now we're going to work a double crochet into the next 2 double crochets, picking up the back loop only. And now we're going to form a 4 chain picot. There's 4 chain. Work back into the top of that double crochet, that last double crochet, make a slip stitch. So there's a 4 chain picot, just slightly bigger than the 3 chain picot. Now we're going to work 3 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 3, working into the back loop only. So 3 double crochet, and then a 4 chain picot. Work back into the double crochet and slip stitch. Again, 3 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 3 into the back loops only. There's 3 double crochet and another 4 chain picot. 4 chain and work back into the double crochet, work a slip stitch all the way through. So again, another 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and a 4 chain picot. So every petal on the outside is going to have 4 picots. There we go. Now to finish this side, we're going to work another just 2 double crochets. So the start and end of these petals will be 2 double crochets, and there's 3 double crochets in between the picots. So 2 double crochet there. Now we're going to skip the last one, and we're skipping the one that's the double crochet that's connected to the first round, and we're also skipping the double crochet, the first double crochet on the next round of 15. So skip that. So work into the second double crochet into the back loop on that second round of 15. Now this is the start of the petal, so we're only going to work 2 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 2. Then a 4 chain picot, 4 chain, slip stitch. Oh, I have to start that again. Make sure you don't pick up the cord and keep pulling the cord as you go along. So 4 chain and slip stitch into the top of the last double crochet. Now we've got 3 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 3, 2 and 3, then another 4 chain picot, like so, then another 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and a 4 chain picot, 4 chain and slip stitch into that double crochet right there. Now another 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, and a 4 chain picot. So every petal has 4 picots around the outside. Now just 2 double crochet, 1 into each of the next 2, 1 and 2, and there should be 1 left. So I'll pull that cord nice and tight, and there we have 1 left at the end of that row. We're going to skip that one, and we're skipping the first one on the next group of 15, and we're going to work into the second one. Now I'm going to fast forward a bit. I'm going to continue like this. So 2 double crochet at the start of the petal, then 3 double crochet in between all of the picots, and I'll meet you around here at the end of our 5th petal. So I'm almost at the end of the last petal. I just have to work 1 more picot. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chain and slip stitch back into the last double crochet. There we go. And then we want to finish 2 double crochet that's left on this petal. So 2 double crochet, and then we're simply going to work a slip stitch back into the first one. So I'm just going to pick up the back loop, grab the thread and pull it all the way through to make a slip stitch and a little chain to finish it off, and it's ready to be cut, and pull the thread through. So there we go, there you have it. Let's just pull this cord to tighten up that last petal, and there you go, a little Irish crochet flower with picots. So I hope you could follow that tutorial, and do come back for another one. We'll be learning how to make this one right here. So you'll learn how to do more picots and how to join some rows together. I do hope you could follow that and enjoyed, and best of luck with it.